In this video, we're going to show you how to replace a front window motor regulator assembly on your Chevy Sonic. Let's get started. Remove the trim piece for the mirror, pull straight out. Remove the trim door behind the handle. Using a 7mm socket, remove the screw. Remove the trim door behind the cutout in the door. Pull it down. Using a 7mm socket, remove the screw. We're going to grab the bottom of the door card and pull straight out, popping the clips. Pull the door panel off. Pull the cable out of the door handle. Remove the connector for the window switch. Right on my thumb is going to be the release latch. Push on that, pull down, remove the connector. Remove the door card. Pull back the vapor barrier. Using some tape, we're going to tape up the glass so it doesn't fall on us while we're working on it. 2 to 3 pieces should be good. Remove the window motor connector, push on the bottom, pull straight back. You're pushing on this tab on the bottom. Loosen the 10mm nuts for the window glass. Using a 10mm socket, remove the bolts for the window motor and regulator assembly. There's 2 on the bottom. 1 on the side right here, and 1 on top. Before removing the top bolt, be sure you have a hand on the window motor, and then remove the assembly. Remove the assembly. Install the pigtail. Before installing the assembly, remove the top bolt. Install the assembly into the door. Install the screw. Now we can let the assembly hang on that. Install the bolts. Get them all installed before you tighten them down. Get the screws nice and snug. Install the connector for the window motor. Push until you hear a click. If you don't, give it a pull. Make sure it's locked on. I'm going to tuck that in there. Install the connector for the window switch. Turn the key in the on position. Roll the window motor up to meet the glass. When you do this, be sure it's lining up with the glass. I'm going to roll it all the way up. Remove the connector and the door. Snug down the bolts for the glass. Get it nice and snug. Remove the tape. Pull the vapor barrier back over. Be sure that your harnesses are going through. Install the connector for the window switch. Install the cable for the door handle. Install the ball, pull the cable back, click it into place. Drop the door down on top. Be sure that the stock is going through the door card. Push it all the way down. Get all the clips seated. You should be able to pull on the door and it shouldn't come off. Install the screw in the middle of the door card. Close the trim door. Install the screw behind the handle. Install the trim door. Install the trim piece over the mirror. Clip it into place, and you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.